Hey there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today I have a tucked gatefold card. Let's get started. I'm starting with a piece of basic beige and I'm going to cut it at 5.5 by 8.5. And then I'm going to score both sides at 2 1/8 and 4 inches. 2 1/8 and 4 inches. And now I have this little spine here. Then, because of the way this is going to fold, when we fold this in, you can see that it overlaps this, and we don't want it to overlap that. So we're going to trim off a skosh more than 1/4 inch. So here's 1/4 inch, and we want to go one more tick mark, which is 5/16. And turn it around and do the same thing. So 1/4 inch and one more tick mark, so it's 5/16. Trim off 1 5/8 inch card base that was in the kit, and then save this for another project. And then I have a piece of white. I'm going to measure 5.5 by 1 5/8 as well. And then this piece from the kit, we're going to trim it down to 4 inches. I'm using the full-size Misty Moonlight stamp pad just because it'll be a little bit quicker than using the spot. And I'm going to stamp off and then stamp a tree here. More color to these trees. So this fold goes like that. This fold goes in like that. And then where this little bit is, I'm putting dimensionals on there. I forgot to trim this down a little more. It should be another 1/2 inch off each side. Oops, make sure it's centered. And here's a tucked gatefold unfold. And room to write your message here. For written instructions, please visit my blog at... If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!